Hi, now we will see how we can set up the loyalty points in the system. For that you need to go to Saloon Master and loyalty points setup. Here the loyalty point you will enable. If you don't enable, it means like there will be no loyalty points, and if you enable, here are the criterias which you can set. It says like earn 1 point, meaning 1 point will be earned for every 100 of the invoice amount. Okay, so this is minimum amount which is required to earn 1 loyalty point. Suppose if the client total invoice amount is 200, then he will earn 2 points. If his total invoice amount is 150, then he will earn 1 point. And also how to redeem it. For redeeming, there is, you will mention like minimum 100 points is required for a client to redeem, and the total amount will be 100, meaning 1 loyalty point is equal to 1 dirham or real. Okay, so in this way, like you can say a minimum category. Suppose a client has 50 loyalty points, like he cannot actually redeem, because the minimum loyalty point to be redeemed should be minimum 100. So all you need to do is change accordingly and save. So every time you create an invoice for a client, so I will add a product. There is no I will add another so the total point for this, already we have like 4 points earned by this customer. Okay, so now the total amount amount of the invoice is 275 dirham or real. So now, like when he actually pays for that one, you can see that he earned 2 loyalty points. So the total available is 6. So because the total is 275, so for every 100, 1 loyalty point is earned. So this is how you set up the loyalty point, and you can make the invoice, and that loyalty point will be added to his account. Thank you.